Class 10th, that is properties of image formed by plane mirror. This is a plane mirror that I have taken. One surface of this mirror is plane and the other surface is polished. Through this surface we can see the image of any object, and this surface has been polished with the help of silver metal, or sometimes aluminium metal is also used. As silver metal is expensive, so aluminium metal is applied on the back side of the smooth surface, and after that one paint is applied to just protect our metal. Now we will study about the properties of image that is formed by this mirror. Whenever we keep any object in front of it, then what kind of image is formed, that we will study. So these are some properties of the image that is formed by the plane mirror. First property is that image formed is virtual and erect. Virtual means the image that is formed cannot be recorded on the screen, and erect means the image formed is straight. As the object we will keep in front of the mirror, same kind of straight image can be seen on the mirror. Second, size of image is equal to as that of object. That if you have taken 5 centimeter size object in front of the mirror, then you will observe image of 5 centimeter behind the mirror. Thirdly, the image formed is as far behind the mirror as object is in front of it. Means that whatever distance is there between the object and the mirror, at the same distance image will form behind the mirror. Fourth property is image is laterally inverted. That if we will keep an object in front of the mirror, then inverted image is formed. Inverted means the right side of the object appears as left side on the image, and vice versa. That is meaning of laterally inverted. Now one by one we will prove these properties with the help of the object in front of the mirror. Let us go for that. So here I have taken one blowing candle as an object in front of the plane mirror. Now we can clearly see the image of this candle in the mirror. The image that has formed in the mirror is erect, as we are able to see the candle as same image is formed in the mirror. So this is erect image. Secondly, we can check the distance between the object and mirror and an image that has formed behind the mirror. As the distance between candle and mirror is 5 centimeter, so we can clearly see that behind the mirror at 5 centimeter image has formed. So in next property we can check about the size of the object and that of image that has formed. So as much size of object we have taken, same size of image has formed in the mirror. So size of image and object is nearly same. So next I have taken this white board over which I have pasted the white page which is acting as a screen. Now we can clearly see that no image has been recorded on the screen. You can clearly see that there is no image on the screen of candle has been obtained. So it means this is virtual image that has formed in the plane mirror. Virtual means that cannot be recorded on the screen, that is imaginable. So we have not got any image on the screen, so it is virtual. Now next we can prove the lateral inversion property also. So this is simple page that I have taken here. On this page I have written ambulance in inverted version. Now whenever I will show this page in front of the mirror, we will see that an inverted image will be there of this ambulance. Let us check that also. So you can clearly see that in the image on the plane mirror, we can see that ambulance has been inverted. That is written on the page of that inverted image has been formed. On the page on my left side there is a E written, but in the image on the right side E is there. So this proves that the image that is formed by a plane mirror is inverted.